morning, teacher. My name is Vilma Toquise, my profession teacher. I'm teacher, my professor, my present children, Toquisa, my present children, Alex Toquisa, my present children, Moises Toquisa. I have to study my present teacher and my children and dynamic in the class. Con my children, niños. My yesterday father in the house. I have the class, the creative activities in the class. My presence, the activity in the class and the children, the class, the activities and the actives and the class, my present teacher. Thank you, teacher.